If you're having issues adding in songs to a playlist within Spotify, in this video, let me show you the way on how you can fix this issue. So the first thing that you can try out in this situation is, first of all, try to log out of the Spotify application by simply heading over to your profile, log out of the application, and then try to log in back. In most cases, by following this first step alone, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if this step does not work for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. So hop out of the app of Spotify, tap and hold it, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear all data or clear cache. Just tap on one of these options, and once you do that, make sure you remove the Spotify application from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is resolved. If the issue still persists, what you also need to ensure is that you have disabled the offline mode within Spotify. If offline mode within Spotify is enabled for you, this also might be causing this issue. Now, if none of these solutions are working out, the last resolution is you can just try to reinstall the application. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like. I'm going to see you in the next one.